I cannot live another day without air conditioning. Hold on, it says in the newspaper. What? It says tomorrow's gonna be hotter. Hotter? Like yesterday. Yesterday? Yesterday, you said you called Sears. I'll call today. You'll call now. I'll call now. If you don't install Sears air conditioning, you will feel the weather getting hotter and hotter until everybody dies. Install Sears air conditioning. It probably has to be specifically Sears too, not another brand, just to be on the safe side. So what does the paper say about tomorrow? Another scorcher. Well, I'm not happy about that. But at least we called Sears air conditioning.